I am lost, and I am too scared to speak. A worker is right there, but I feel too shy.
How did Jack get lost? It all began happily.
Welcome to Daily English Flow.
Let's get ice cream after shopping.
Jack, stay close to us, okay?
Wow! Look at that toy store! Look at that giant robot! Mom, come look at this! Mom? Dad? Where is everyone? I'm lost. What do I do now? Maybe I should ask her for help. No, I'm too shy. Everyone looks the same here. I want my mom. Where is Jack?
He was right behind us.
Don't worry. We will find him.
Let's ask the security guard.
Excuse me, our son is lost.
Don't worry. We will help you.
What does he look like?
He has brown hair and a green shirt.
I will call his name on the speakers.
Attention shoppers. A boy named Jack is lost.
That's my name! I need to talk to someone now. Excuse me, I am lost.
It's okay. What is your name?
My name is Jack.
I will call your family right now.
Jack, I was so worried about you.
I'm sorry. Next time, I will ask for help right away.
Remember, ask an adult for help right away if you get lost.